Welcome back to One Good Thing Out and About. You know, it's been 2 long years of sitting in my house, so Hans and I are getting out into the city to find good ideas right under our nose to share with you. And today, I'm heading over to the office. Let's see what we can find there. Oh, hey, Greg.
Hey, Maxwell.
Oh, hey, Meg.
Oh, hey, Maxwell. How's it going?
It's going great. You know what?
Oh my God, is that Hans?
Yeah, that's Hans.
I've never met Hans before. Is it cool if I just high five you? Is that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I've always wanted to meet Hans. I love the show.
Yeah, so anyway, Hans and I are in the office today because we're looking around for one good things outside the home.
You know what? I have one good thing right here. Have you seen these?
No. I want to hear all about these, but why are you wearing them at work?
Well, you know, it's kind of hard to transition back to working in the office life. Actually, I have an extra pair. Check them out.
You travel with pairs.
I mean, always. They're super comfortable and you can dust with them and mop with them. So while you're walking around the house, you're cleaning up. And look, you pick up the bottom.
Oh, they're dusting slippers.
And you can clean that.
Oh, you throw this in the washing machine.
Yeah, you throw them in the washing machine. You can put it back on. So they're dusting, mopping slippers.
Oh, and they have a name. They're called multitasky. These are great. Can we check these out?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, Hans, I've got something for you too. Check these out. Dusting gloves.
It's always hands.
Put them on and dust around your house.
It is Hans' favorite color.
Really?
Yes.
I might have known that.
Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm at the office. Hey, Hans. These are great.
Hey.
Hi.
Before Hans leaves, can I get an autograph? I know it's stupid, but I'm just a really big fan. Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, bye, nice to meet you. Bye, Hans.
So that's it for this week. Let me know what you think about the multitasky slipper, or Hans's dusting gloves, or if you, like everyone else, seems to want an autograph. And I'll see you next week.
Is that Hans? Huge fan.